In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable two-factor authentication on Twitch. This provides an extra layer of security by requiring a second step, such as a code from your phone. By using 2FA, you significantly reduce the risk of account breaches and ensure a safer experience on Twitch. To do this, simply head to your Twitch. On your profile page, head to Settings. You will then head to Security and Privacy. You will want to select onto this option of two-factor authentication. Tap on Enable 2FA. You will have to enter in an active phone number and tap on Next. A verification code will be sent to that exact number. Simply enter the code and your two-factor authentication will get enabled successfully. When turned on, it provides an extra layer of security by requiring a second step, such as a code from your phone, in addition to your password before logging into your account on other devices. Well, that's how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitch account.